It closed at 45 cents. Lastly, zero analysts call it underweight, while zero think it is overweight. It closed at $9.18. Lastly, New York Stock Exchange R has declined 4.77% since October 16, 2016 and is downtrending. It is underperformed by 16.70%. The S&P 500. 6/2017, Simon Property Group Incorporated was upgraded to buy by analysts at Goldman Sachs. Simon Property Group has a 52-week low of $150.15 and a 52-week high of $199.69. Capital World investors boosted its holdings in shares of Simon Property Group by 25.4% in the second quarter. The stock increased 0.03% or 5 cents on October 16, reaching $165.33. Shares of Simon Property Group, New York Stock Exchange SPG, traded up 0.48% during trading on Monday, hitting $160.32. It is underperformed by 35.26%. The S&P 500. It's up 0.28 from 0.62 in 2017 Q1. It dived as 9 investors sold THL Credit Incorporated shares, while 19 reduced holdings. 36 funds opened positions, while 88 raised stakes. Aperio Group Incorporated Limited Liability Corporation accumulated 22,569 shares. Spc Incorporated invested in 0.06% or 1,400 shares. Hightower Advisors has 51,027 shares. Invest Limited Liability Company invested 0.02% of its portfolio in Ryder System Incorporated, NASDAQ TCRD, for 61,760 shares. The Pennsylvania-based Alphaone Investment Services LLC has invested 0.99% in the stock. State Treasurer State of Michigan reported 0.13% stake. Mutual of America Cap LC owns 0.05% invested in Ryder System Incorporated. Victory Capital invested in 0% or 284 shares. The company's institutional ownership is monitored at 0%. NASDAQ TCRD. 10,526 are owned by Trexquint Invest Limited Partnership. Twin Capital reported 3,470 shares. Among 17 analysts covering Simon Property Group, New York Stock Exchange SPG, 12 have buy rating, 0 sell and 5 hold. The company declared a dividend paid on Thursday, the 31st of August 2017. The firm earned outperform rating on Friday, February 19 by Keefe, Bruyette & Woods. The rating was maintained by Evercore with buy on Tuesday, September 8. On Friday, June 16, the stock rating was maintained by Jefferies with buy. As per Saturday, September 5, the company rating was upgraded by Fee Street. The rating was maintained by Barclays Capital with overweight on Wednesday, August 5. THL Credit, Inc. Is an externally managed, non-diversified closed-end management investment company. PGGM Investments bought 80,391 shares as the company's stock declined 12.82%, while stock markets rallied. It has a 6.5 PE ratio. The firm is a direct lender to lower middle market companies and invests primarily in directly originated first lien senior secured loans, including unitranche investments. According to the analysts, the low earnings estimate for the current quarter is $1.46, while the high earnings estimate is $1.88. Comparatively, EPS for the same quarter a year ago was $1.58. They expect $2.87 earnings per share, up 6.30% or 17 cents from last year's $2.7 per share. SPG's profit will be $892.18 million for 14.49 PE if the $2.87 EPS becomes a reality. Facebook Incorporated, FB, ended its previous trading session at $173.74 with a gain of 0.69%. Investors' sentiment is 0.76 in Q2 2017. It's the same as in 2017 Q1. The Real Estate Investment Trust reported $2.47 earnings per share for the quarter, beating analysts' consensus estimates of $2.44 by 3 cents. Vanguard GRP accumulated 45.74 M shares. Natixis holds 0.27%, or 256,406 shares. New York Stock Exchange R. Ernest PRTN LLC holds 272,532 shares. Royal Commercial Bank of Canada, Ontario, Canada-based fund reported 869,434 shares. Los Angeles Capital Management and Equity Research Incorporated decreased Simon Pty Group Incorporated, SPG, stake by 63.63% reported in 2017 Q2 SEC filing. Raymond James Assox reported 107,409 shares, or 0.04% of all its holdings. The Illinois-based investment asset MGMT Incorporated has invested 0.02% in Simon Property Group Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange SPG. Alpha Windward LLC boosted its stake in Simon Property Group by 12.2% during the second quarter. Riggs Asset Management holds 0.06% in Simon Property Group Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange SPG, or 772 shares. Texas Permanent School Fund reported 87,718 shares, or 0.19% of all its holdings. APC Asset Management NV invested in 72,045 shares. Swiss Finkelbank accumulated 1.17 M shares. 2 investment analysts have rated the stock with a sell rating, 6 have assigned a hold rating and 12 have assigned a buy rating to the company's stock. Therefore 71% are positive. Argus Research maintained it with buy rating and $227 target in Friday, November 13th report. RBC Capital Markets maintained the stock with sector perform rating in Tuesday, November 1st report. Finally, Barclays plc reissued an overweight rating and issued a $191 price target, down from $200, on shares of Simon Property Group in a report on Monday, May 15th. Zacks downgraded Simon Property Group Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange SPG, on Monday, August 17 to buy rating. Simon Property Group Incorporated. Stifel Nicolaus maintained it with buy rating and $75 target in Thursday, April 28th report. The rating was initiated by Canaccord Genuity on Wednesday, July 22nd with buy.